Unlock the secret to achieving beautiful, bouncy curls without any heat. The sock curling method is a gentle way to style your hair while preventing damage from hot tools. Here's how you can curl your hair using just a sock. 1. Preparation. Wash and condition your hair as usual. Allow your hair to air dry until it's slightly damp but not wet. Detangle your hair gently using a wide tooth comb. 2. Sock preparation. Take a clean, soft sock and cut off the toe part to create a tube. Roll the sock into a donut shape. 3. Ponytail. Tie your hair into a high ponytail.
The higher the ponytail, the more voluminous the curls.
4. Thread and roll. Thread the ponytail through the center of the sock donut. Roll your hair around the sock, tucking and rolling until you reach the base of the ponytail. 5. Secure. Secure the sock and hair with a few bobby pins to ensure it stays in place overnight. 6. Sleep tight. For best results, leave the sock in your hair overnight. The longer you leave it, the tighter the curls. 7. Morning unveil. In the morning, gently unroll the sock from your hair. Remove the ponytail holder and shake out your curls. 8. Style. Separate the curls gently with your fingers. To achieve the desired level of volume and bounce, apply a light hold hairspray or serum to keep the curls in place throughout the day. 9. Enjoy your curls. Now you have gorgeous, heat-free curls. This method is not only safe for your hair, but also a great time saver as you style while you sleep.